So the conclusion is from negative infinity to infinity 1 over x square dx. This is divergence. Okay, in this video we will integrate 1 over x square dx from negative infinity to positive infinity. Normally what most of the people do is they write it as x to the negative 2 dx, and by using the formula of integration of x to the n dx, x to the n plus 1 over n plus 1, we get minus 1 over x from minus infinity to infinity. Now plug in this value, minus 1 over infinity minus minus 1 over negative infinity. So this is just 0 minus negative, and negative is positive, and 1 over positive infinity is again 0. So this is 0. Normally this is what most of the people do, but let me tell you, this is absolutely wrong. Before knowing why this is wrong, let's see the graph of this function y equal to 1 over x square. Let's see, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and the graph is like this. The graph is like this. Now see, we are integrating from negative infinity. Suppose here is negative infinity to infinity, so the area is this. Now see, here we have an area, but earlier we got 0, so it is clear that 0 isn't the answer. This is wrong. Now here comes the question, why this is wrong. So now let's see that when you are integrating a function from a to b, then for the basic definition of integration, the function must be continuous in that range. If the function isn't continuous in that range, then you can't integrate it directly. Now see, here we are integrating from negative infinity to infinity, and this is the 0 point, and when you plug in 0 here, we get 1 over 0 square, means 1 over 0. This is undefined, so the graph breaks here. That's why you can't integrate it directly. So to integrate this, we will break this integral into two parts. First, we will be integrating from negative infinity to a very close number to 0, suppose 0 minus, and little bit greater than 0 plus. First we will be integrating from negative infinity to 0 minus, then we will integrate from 0 plus to infinity, then after that we will just add these two area. So now your integral breaks into two parts. First, from negative infinity to 0 minus. Now to define 0 minus, you need limit. Now a variable, suppose b, goes to 0 minus, and here b, plus again 1 over x square dx. Now you are integrating from 0 plus to infinity, so to define 0 plus, again you need a variable, suppose a. You can use any other alphabet you like to infinity. Now first let's work with this first. After that we will see the second part. Now this is limit b goes to 0 minus, and this is from negative infinity to b, x to the negative 2 dx. This is limit b approaches to 0 minus. Now this is minus 1 over x from negative infinity to b. Now plug in this value, limit b goes to 0 minus 1 over b minus 1 over negative infinity. Now you see, this is again 0, this is 0, so you don't need to write this part anymore, and now plug in this here, so you get minus 1 over 0 minus. Can you do any calculation here? Yes, we can. Now let me tell you, when we get any non-zero over 0 in limit form, this is only for limit form, not in general sense. Now this either approaches to infinity or negative infinity, depends on sign. So here we have -1 in the denominator and we have -1 in the numerator, and in the denominator we have 0 minus. That means a very close number to 0, and the number is negative. See, the number is negative. The number is less than 0, that means the number is negative, and here a negative number that is very close to 0, suppose this is 0.000001. now negative over negative, that is positive, so here this is equal to positive infinity. Now what that means? That means that this thing is diverges. So diverges means that we won't get any particular value. Now you don't need to work with this part anymore, because you know that infinity plus anything is still infinity, infinity minus anything is still infinity. So you can work with this part and you may get a result, but still it's infinity, so you don't need to work with this anymore. And suppose you get the value as positive infinity, this is still infinity, or negative infinity, this is still infinity, so you don't need to work with this. And I'm not saying that only this thing is diverges, the whole thing, the whole integration is diverges. So the conclusion is, from negative infinity to infinity, 1 over x square dx, this is diverges. That means we don't get any particular value. That's it guys, thanks for watching.